Good morning to all of you. On previous turn, we have discussed the hallucinogen plants, especially from cannabis sativa. We have take the example of cannabis sativa. Today, we will take another example of hallucinogenic plants. First of all, morning glory. Morning glory. It is Turbina corymbosa. Turbina corymbosa. Previously, it is known as Zevia corymbosa. It is used as ololiquid, and locally this plant is known as locally this plant is known as ololiquid. It is used as hallucinogenic agent in the Mexico. It is used in Mexico, and it's besides this, it contains fleshy fruit which is useless, but it contains a single black lentil-like seed which contains lysergic acid derivatives which is used for this LSD derivatives. Locally, this plant is used as known as ololiquid. Next plant which is used as hallucinogenic agent is Ipomea violacea. Ipomea violacea. Ipomea. Violacea. This is called as Bada Negra. And it is used in southern Mexico. Southern Mexico. It is popular among Zapotec tribe. It is popular among Zapotec tribe. Of Oaxaca region of southern Mexico. So in southern Mexico there are two plants which are used as hallucinogenic agents. First is Turbina corymbosa, number 2 Ipomea violacea. Besides this, there is a one cacti which is used as hallucinogenic. It is called as Lophophora williamsi. It is used in grown in northern Mexico and southern Texas and south of Texas. And South Texas. The most active and important alkaloid which this plant contains is mescaline. This alkaline is also called as pure alkaloid. So, besides this, one common spice which is used in the Indian kitchen is also used as hallucinogenic agent. Myristica. Myristica fragrans. It is called as nutmeg. Jaifal. It is come from seed of the plant, whereas mace, Javitri is the dried seed coat. And it is scarlet aril. It is also used as hallucinogenic effect. They contain myristicin. They contain myristicin, which produce psychic effect, just like marijuana, which produces marijuana-like effect when ingested in large quantity. अगर हम इसको लार्ज क्वांटिटी में यूज करें तो इन सब के अलावा कुछ मशरूम्स हैं विच आर यूज्ड एज hallucinogens, especially in southern Mexico they are used as hallucinogens, which is where they are used in religious, magico-religious rites, where they are used in magico-religious rites. They are paniolus, psilocybe and stroparia. Stroparia. They contain psilocybin. They contain psilocybin. They contain psilocybin alkaloid. They contain psilocybin alkaloid. Thank you.